What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop the videos just like this one. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to run Facebook ads for an auto repair shop or if you are a car mechanic. So without further ado, let's get into the video. What you're going to have to do first is create a Facebook Business Manager account and then create a Facebook ad account. And when you're inside your Facebook ad account, this is the dashboard. So you're going to select create in the top left. So now we are brought to the choose a campaign objectives. And for a mechanic or an auto repair shop, I'm going to go with leads because you just want people to come in, then you can take a look at their car and diagnose it. So let's select leads and manual leads campaign. And let's name this campaign. So the way we name our campaigns is if it's a cold traffic campaign or a campaign that's going to people who have never heard of us before, then we call it L1. If it's going to a warm audience, then that will be L2. We put what the actual objective of the campaign is in the middle, right? So let's say we're running these ads and we're offering a free diagnostic to leads so we can get them to come into our repair shop. That's what we always put in the middle, like what you actually want out of the campaign. And at the end, we always have the campaign type, which is leads. So we always stick that at the end. And after you do that, you can just go to the bottom right and select next. Now we are on the ad set level. And the first thing we're going to do here is, again, name it. And we always name the ad set level the name of the audience that we're targeting. Since we don't have that yet, we're just going to leave this blank for now. Conversion location, you can select website and calls, you can do instant forms, or you can just do regular calls. That's going to be completely up to you and your business model. So you guys can figure out which one works the best. For this example, I'm just going to do website. Maybe you have a form on your website that they can fill out, or maybe you call them after they fill it out. Going down to performance goal, we want to maximize number of conversions. Data set, you're going to make sure that you have your pixel created and selected. Same thing with conversion event. Make sure you have an active conversion event and select that. This is just a demo account for me. Now going down to daily budget. We're going to be doing $20 a day per ad set, and we're going to have 3 ad sets. So it's going to be at least $60 per day for the first 3 to 5 days. Going down to locations. So right now we are targeting the whole United States, but we are a car repair shop that's in Atlanta, Georgia. So we want to just target the city of Atlanta instead and the surrounding 25-mile radius. So now the only people who are seeing our ads are going to be the people that are within this radius. So let's go down to Advantage Plus Audience and let's go to switch to original audience options and use original audience. And now we have the age and we have the genders. I would just let the Facebook ads algorithm decide who to send your ads to. I would just leave that alone for now. And now the advantage detailed targeting, this is where we can add our interests, right? So we're going to go into ChatGPT to get some targeting suggestions. So to get our targeting suggestions, we're going to use our 3-layer targeting strategy that we always use. So the prompt for this is going to be, act as a Facebook ads expert and give me 3 targeting suggestions for an auto repair shop in Atlanta, Georgia. Give us 3 ideas using our 3-layer targeting strategy. Each targeting suggestion should align with each layer. Layer 1, things that are directly related to the product or service. Layer 2, things that are closely related to the product or the service. And layer 3, things that are unrelated that our ideal prospects would also like. And this can be anything. And in just a couple seconds, we get an output. So as you can see, the response we get from ChatGPT is formatted within our 3 layers. So we have the layer 1 suggestions, layer 2, and layer 3. So what we're going to do right now is go through some of these targeting suggestions and go back to the Facebook ad campaign and paste some of them in. So we're going to be using a layer 1 targeting suggestion. And layer 1, again, is something that is directly related to your product or your service, right? So we're going to go with auto mechanic because that's obviously directly related to our product or service. So we're going to select auto mechanic. So now the only people who are going to see these ads are people who are in the Atlanta, Georgia area or in a 25-mile radius. And they also have to be interested in an auto mechanic. So they can't just live in a 25-mile radius of Atlanta, Georgia anymore. Now that we put this interest on it, so this kind of helps refine our audience to find the best possible leads. And after we do that, we can go to the bottom right and select next. Now we are taken to the ad level. And what we're going to want to do here is name it again. So I would just name it video 1 or whatever, anything that you need to name it. So when you see it, you can identify it. Doesn't really matter. And we're going to have the same 3 ads and the same 3 copy for each ad set. And the reason we're doing this is because we're testing the audience. And when you're testing something, it's important that you only test one variable at a time and you keep all the other variables the same. So if we're testing the audience, then that means everything else is going to be the same. So when we look at the difference in results, we know that those differences are due to the different audiences that the ads were shown to. Going down to identity, make sure you have your Facebook page selected, and also make sure that you have your Instagram account selected as well. Creative source, we want to manual upload. Format, single image or video. And now ad creative, we're going to select setup ad creative and select video ad. This is the site links. Now we're here at primary text. So this is where we're going to copy our primary text, which is our ad copy, and our headline. So let's go into ChatGPT and let's grab that. So to get our copy, we're going to be using the PAS method, which stands for pain, agitation, and solution. So what we're going to prompt is now create Facebook ad copy for this campaign using the pain, agitation, and solution formula. So let's submit that. So in no time, we get our copy from ChatGPT and it's formatted in the pain, agitation, and solution. So let's go through it. Pain, stuck with a car that won't start, hearing weird noises from your engine. Nothing's worse than unexpected car problems ruining your day. Agitation, ignoring the issue could leave you stranded at the worst time or cost you way more down the road. Dealerships charge a fortune and waiting weeks for an appointment isn't an option. Solution, enter your auto repair shop name. We get Atlanta drivers back on the road fast with affordable same-day repairs. From brakes and oil changes to engine fixes, we've got you covered. Located in insert Atlanta neighborhood, fast, reliable, and affordable. Book your repair now and get a free vehicle diagnostic. So what you're gonna do is take the copy that ChatGPT gives you and infuse it with your own experience and your own expertise to create the best copy possible. And then you're going to copy it and head over to the Facebook ad campaign and paste it in there. So after you get your copy, paste it in, and we're going to select next. And now we are at the media. This is where we upload our Facebook ads video. So let's go into ChatGPT and let's get our Facebook ad video script. For our video script, we are going to be using our 4-step video ad formula. And the prompt is this: create a video ad for this campaign using my 4-step video ad formula. Step 1, strong hook. Step 2, credibility and introduction. Step 3, give value. Give them a quick tip they can implement immediately. And step 4, a strong call to action. So as you guys can see, we have our script from ChatGPT. Now let's go through it. They give you the visual or the scene, and they also give you a narrator / on-screen text. So they're telling you literally exactly how you can create this video. So car won't start, hearing weird noises, don't ignore it. This can leave you stranded at the worst time. Hey Atlanta, I'm enter your name, owner of enter repair shop name. We've helped thousands of drivers get back on the road fast and affordably. No long wait times, no dealership pricing, just honest, reliable service. Here's a quick tip. If your check engine light is on, don't ignore it. A simple diagnostic check can save you hundreds by catching small issues before they become big problems. Don't wait until your car breaks down. Book your repair today and get a free vehicle diagnostic. Click the link below and let's get you back on the road. Same day service, affordable pricing, located in enter Atlanta neighborhood. So that was a pretty good script, but you still want to take this script, infuse it with what you know about the industry and what you know about your ideal clients. And then you want to record a video and then head into the Facebook ad campaign to upload it. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So after you're done recording that video, this is what we're gonna do. We're going to select this upload button right here. So I'm just gonna select this and go to next. Here you can trim it, here you can crop it, and you can also add enhancements. And the last thing that we're going to do here is go to destination and copy and paste your website URL. So this is the link that you want them to see after they click on your ad. And after you do that, let's go back to the ad set auto mechanic and let's click those 3 dots on the far right and go to quick duplicate. So now we just made the exact same thing that we just did, which is an ad set and an ad. So let's go to this copy and remove the name. And now let's go down to the targeting again. And we are going to select a new interest. So we're going to be targeting a new audience with this second ad set. And you're going to keep this location the same. Don't change that for any of the ad sets. So advantage detail targeting plus. So now we're going to use a layer 2 targeting suggestion that we got from ChatGPT to find an interest. So let's do something like car dealership, right? So car dealerships are closely related to car repair shops. So enter the name. So we have 2 ad sets, one going to the interest of car dealerships, the other one to auto mechanics. So what we're going to do now is the same exact thing. Click those three dots again, and we're going to select quick duplicate one more time. Going to remove this title, go down to the interest again, remove that, and now we're going to do a layer 3 targeting suggestion. So what we're going to do here is maybe something like the Atlanta Falcons. So let's go back to the top and name the Atlanta Falcons. And layer 3 is something that our ideal clients are interested in that may be unrelated, but they still may also have an interest in it. So we have our 3 ad sets going to 3 different audiences: auto mechanic, Atlanta Falcons, and car dealerships. Once you guys have this set up, your campaign setup will be complete. All you have to do is click the bottom right where it says publish. Facebook will review your ads, and then they will be good to go if there are no errors. You're going to want to let those ads run for about 3 to 5 days without touching anything. After 3 to 5 days and you're analyzing the results, you see some ad sets that are performing well, then you're going to want to increase that budget by maybe 10 to 20%. And if they're not doing so well, then you're going to want to turn them off and try testing different audiences. But if you're a business owner or an entrepreneur and you want to save hours every single week, what you need to do is click the link in the description and schedule your free AI Impact Blueprint with me. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop new videos just like this one. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.